we're gonna test the GoPro out though today. That bird shit on my window. Is it gonna clean it? Absolutely fucking not. You guys wanna know why I got a new GoPro? Was because I filmed a video that I really want to post. I filmed a video and that shit was ass. Like, I was like, I cannot post this. And I didn't post it. Dude, I'm trying to get this bird shit off my window. Couple more? That's good enough. But like, I was so glad that the video just didn't upload because it was like complete utter ass. And now it's not all like gone. So like, I'm literally probably using all of my fluid. Alright, we good, baby. But yeah, it's literally because I didn't like the footage. I absolutely hated it. And hated it is not a word, but it's a word today. Alright, I don't need anybody looking at me thinking I'm already goofy than what I am. You feel me? Bro, them turbos is spooling right now. I gotta go right here though. Hoping nobody. Hey yo, where's this cop at? I seen 2 bars. Oh no, it's about to rain. Fuck. Ooh, a little swirly in that mud. Reflection. Yo, it's. Yo, this car breaks loose like it's nothing. And the crazy part is, it's completely stock and it's breaking loose. Like what? Alright, we're at a stop now, so. Oh shoot, I have to go that way. So I have to be in that lane. Oh guys, I gotta go. Dude, do you hear my turbos right now? Holy crap. I hope I don't have a leak somewhere, cause like, whoa. Like, you used to never be able to hear my turbos. Like, what the fuck? But anyways, we're gonna see how this GoPro does with the wind. I'll put the footage in on how much it costs to fill this thing up. I'll let you know how much it did cost, and I'll still put the footage in. I'm at 30 miles. Gas here is $5.19. $70 to fill this sucker up. It's about 75 to like 80 bucks. I just refilled it up 2 and it cost me $74 to fill it up. Actually, it was yesterday I filled this thing up. But yeah, it cost me $74 yesterday to fill it up. And then overall, like, it's probably gonna cost me like $75 to $80 every time I want to drive this thing and fill it up. Just because of I take 93 and gas is like $5 right now, unfortunately. But yeah, this is basically a video of what it's like the daily drive in M4. We never talk about the looks that I get. Ooh. Every day, no matter what, there's at least 10 heads that just turn and look at this car. It's unbelievable. And for them to look at it and it's, you know, there's nothing done to it. Like, there's like no carbon fiber parts anywhere on it. I have the carbon fiber lip. I have to get the other stuff, and I have something on the way for the car that was supposed to be here today, but freaking FedEx, of course, you know how FedEx is the worst shipping company in the entire world. Incorrect address. My address is very well correct. They just didn't want to find my address, and it makes no sense to me. So yes, I have something coming for the car that I'm very excited about. Should be here tomorrow, and you know, we can go ahead and get it all started. But yes, everybody looks at this car. It's one of those vehicles, you know, where you love looking at it. You love to see these things. Good little ST. I'm low-key loving this GoPro. What the frick is that in the road, bro? Oh my gosh. I guess I could just say how much it costs to daily an M4. And then so I go through, if I daily this thing, so again, it costs about $75 to $80 to fill up. And if I daily this thing, I'll probably fill up every 4 days, 3 to 4 days. So yeah, that's on average about $140 a week. Not bad, but also not the best, but that's okay. You know, you pay to have fun. You pay to have fun. I ain't scared of no po-pos. I'm just kidding. Mi no habla inglés. Mi no habla inglés. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? Mi no habla español. It's about to rain, and I got the race car out today, and it's about to rain. Should I do a little pull? A little pull for the boys? Should we do a little pull? Oh God, that's a cop right there. Let's not do a pull, boys. Yeah, let's not do a pull, boys. Yeah, boys. That was probably a bad idea. That's a police department right there. But I think we're good, boys. right, boys, we made it back to the compound. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this video. What if I do, boys? Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm gonna try to literally be on the YouTube grind this summer and post as many videos as possible with this car. I'm trying to take this channel literally to the next level. Like, I'm trying, like, this is what I want to do. This is something that I've always wanted to do, so I'm gonna try everything that I can to just make this channel awesome. I have plans for the channel. I want to build certain cars, do certain giveaways, literally everything. I want to make this car literally 900 to the wheel. But like I said, I want to do everything. Now, if you guys want to see me do all that, I need your guys' support. I truly do. So if you guys enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. This is 2 8s and 1 6, and I'm signing out. Peace.